Morrocco Method's extensive line of hair care products provides the perfect combination for every hair type, and the Healthy Hair Starter Package is perfect for those who are ready to transition from chemical hair care into the amazingly nourishing effects of Morrocco Method's raw, vegan, and gluten-free hair care products. The Healthy Hair Starter Package contains everything you need to start your natural hair care regimen, helping you find your optimal combination of Morrocco Method products. This package features our 5-element shampoos, including apple cider vinegar, sea essence, earth essence, pine shale, and heavenly essence. Along with the 5 elements shampoos, this package includes all 6 Morrocco Method conditioners, including Pearl Essence Cream Rinse, Floating Lotus Conditioner, Diamond Crystal Mist, Zen Detox, Euro Oil, and Sapphire Volumizer Mist. This package also comes with Blood of the Dragon Styling Gel, a Morrocco Method Scalp Massager, and access to a digital copy of Anthony Morocco's ebook, Awaken Your Roots. Spring is quickly approaching, and it is the perfect time to strengthen or start an all-natural hair care regimen because it's a time of renewal, growth, and fresh beginnings. Get your Healthy Hair Starter Package today, or check our Instagram account to see how you can enter to win.